No, because I'm calling again because this is the second time and y'all damaged my roof again. And you're on my roof. No. And I have pictures. I am filming you on my roof. No, I have problems with them. He shouldn't be on my roof, period. No, I live here. It doesn't matter. All he had to do was walk around the block. It doesn't matter. It's not your job to know. It's his job to know. I already complained about them being on my roof. He's on my roof again, and my roof is damaged. And I am going to expect for them to fix my roof. Look, he got my thing falling. I do, because I have before. He shouldn't even be in my yard. I am complaining to them. This is their employee right here. This is Comcast cable leaving 3840, where they wasn't supposed to be, and they damaged my roof yet again. I complained before. They have no right to be in my yard. They didn't even knock on my door. What's broke? Here I come, right now.